not a great day for the pheasant, but pretty good flying by Shinta. That's the name of the goshawk who was wearing a camera during this chase. Those quick jumps? That's Shinta moving her head. Researchers at Haverford College analyzed these videos of Shinta's flights to learn more about how goshawks hunt. They see so well and react so fast that their flight through a thicket could make a fighter pilot queasy. But what's their strategy? Classical pursuit? A straight chase? Or come in at an angle? Cut it off at the pass? Turns out the goshawks combined the two, and that was a surprise. First, it's classical pursuit. Then, when the prey veers away, the birds play the angle. And then, just before the kill, they switch back to straight pursuit. It's deadly when it works, but most of the time, as good as the hawks are, the prey gets away.